If you are somebody that needs validation from others, I want you to watch this video because I'm going to say some things that just need to be said. And I know what you're thinking. This has nothing to do with crypto. It has nothing to do with investing. It has nothing to do with building your wealth. So why should you watch the video? And my argument to that is this. It has everything to do with that. If we only focus on our finances, that is the equivalent of putting air in one tire of your vehicle and expecting your car to ride smoothly. You have to inflate all four tires. And so I'll start with this. I used to be the same person that was so worried about what other people thought, and lived a life looking for external validation. That used to be me. An example of that was there was this black Mercedes GL with the beige interior that I wanted so bad. And the reason I wanted this car was because the area that I lived in was an affluent area, and all of the successful people drove those types of vehicles. And so that's what I wanted, because to me, having that vehicle meant that I was equivalent to them. And so I went out and I put myself in a position to be able to buy the car. And that's what I did. And I drove it, and it was cool, and it was nice, and people thought it was a nice vehicle, but it didn't change the way I felt about myself inside. I was still unhappy. I was still overweight. I still had an alcohol problem. And I did something similar a couple of years later. I said if I ever make a certain amount of money, I would go and I would buy myself a nice watch, because that's what all the successful people do. And I hit that goal, and I went and I bought myself a $10,000 watch. Anytime I wear the watch, people I don't even wear it, but anytime I do, people compliment it. It's a beautiful watch. But immediately after buying it, I felt that same sick feeling in my stomach. It didn't make me feel good, because I realized that I was buying the watch for other people. That watch didn't make me happy, just the same way that the car didn't make me happy. Would you know that when I got rid of that Mercedes, shortly thereafter, I was working towards opening up the barber college that I'm sitting out in front of. Okay. And during the process of opening the school, I mean, it was hard financially. And I bought this vehicle for $1,000. I named it the Green Goblin. I think it was like a 99 Ford Expedition. It was rusted. It had ripped interior. It had duct tape on the panel, on the door panels. And would you know that I was so happy driving that vehicle, because it meant that I was moving my family and myself towards the goals that we were working on. I was so happy driving this vehicle. And I thought about this today because I'm sitting in this car. It's a nice, beautiful vehicle that I'm sitting in. And I'm actually putting this thing on Turo. I'm gonna rent it out all summer. It's already booked out. And I'm buying another car for $1,000. And you can see the smile on my face right now because it makes me so happy thinking about it. It's a Ford Expedition that has over 300,000 miles on it. And I cannot wait to get the car. I cannot wait to drive that thing every single day. And the reason is I no longer give a shit about what other people think. Most people would not be caught dead driving a vehicle with 300,000 miles on it because they're so worried about what somebody else thinks, but I just don't care, because me driving that car means that I'm moving my family one step closer to financial freedom, and so I'm willing to do whatever it takes. And when you get to that place in your life, when you no longer give a shit about what other people think, and you're willing to walk the road that is less traveled, you will understand the feeling that I'm feeling right now. And again, it's the reason why I'm smiling on this video, because I can already see it. We need to stop caring about what others think. And so many people, unfortunately, live a life and they're buying things and they're putting things on credit cards. And it's the old saying, like keeping up with the Joneses. They're doing it all for somebody else. In the meantime, they're miserable inside. There's some things in my life that I do that nobody will ever know about, and I do it because it makes me happy. And that's all that matters. That's all that matters. When you can find those things for you that make you happy, I'll share one with you. I like gardening. I enjoy it. It's peaceful. Right now I have a couple of trays of seeds that I started, and I'm tending to them, and I enjoy the process. It reminds me a lot of investing, actually, where you have to plant the seeds, you have to tend to it, you water it every day, you have to watch it grow, and you have to get through the whole season, and you may hit a storm and it may ruin the crop, but at the end, if you have a great, successful season, you can harvest the fruit. It's the same thing as investing. That's one of the things that brings me happiness. But again, the point of this video was to say that we need to stop caring and doing things for other people. And I'm not saying that in a selfish way, but in a way, you do have to be selfish. And especially if you're a father or you're a husband, you have to make some decisions that matter for you and your family. And you may have to make some tough decisions. You may have to move. You may have to find a new job. You may have to sacrifice. You may have to wake up early. You may have to go to bed late. You may have to start another side hustle. You may have to invest some money that you don't have, and you're going to have to get creative. You may have to sell some of the things that you admire so that you can get some extra money so that you can go invest to put your family in a better situation. That's part of it. It's sacrifice. And when you understand that, you will feel the same sense of satisfaction that I feel right now while I'm recording this video. I'll give you a challenge, and if you want to feel what I'm talking about, this is very easy to do, and I'm going to end it with this. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, I want you to take a cold shower. And I know what you're thinking, yeah, I can do that, or I already take it, or whatever, I'll start with it hot. And no. You're going to turn the shower on just enough that it doesn't change the pressure, so it's full pressure, but just enough so that it doesn't alter the temperature. And I want you to get in that shower, and your heart is going to be racing, and your breath is going to be, you're going to go through that fight or flight feeling that you get, and you're going to sit in that cold water with it on the top of your head or on your face until your breathing slows down. And you're going to have that same smile that I just had, because you're going to have done something so extremely hard that most people aren't willing to do. And the satisfaction that you will feel is the same satisfaction that you feel when you sacrifice in areas of your life that nobody else will know about, because it doesn't matter anymore. If you're going to do it, let me know in the comments. I want to know who's doing it. I'll be taking a cold shower tomorrow. I've been taking one for years, and every day I feel the same exact feeling. So anyways, I'm going to end the video with that. Again, drop me a comment. If you're new here to this channel, my name is Donnie Joseph. On this channel, this is the kind of conversations that we have. This is a channel for people that want to build their wealth, take control of their mindset, invest in crypto, all of that stuff. Subscribe, like, share, and until next time, we'll talk soon.